Are you ready for today? Free AI tools. So, let's begin. First of all, check out this channel, Crazy and the Lemming. Guys, if we talk about their videos, almost every video gets millions of views. And even the lower performing ones still get thousands of views. They upload both long-form and short-form content, and they are consistently active in both formats. This is a cartoon-based channel, and you may have even watched similar content during your childhood, especially shows that used to air on Cartoon Network. This is a very powerful channel. Now, if we talk about subscribers, they currently have around 12.2 million subscribers. And guys, if we discuss their earnings, their estimated yearly revenue is around $5.1 million, and their monthly earnings are approximately $365K, which is extremely high. So how are they making this much? The reason is simple. Their audience is international. The characters in their videos don't talk much. There is very minimal voiceover, and most of the storytelling is done using sound effects. Because of this, their content works globally and is easily understood by anyone. They read video you are currently watching on your screen has been generated completely using free AI tools.
Perfect.
So make sure you don't skip this video. Now guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything in a single scene. You just need to copy it. The link is available in the description. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will provide you with complete scenes, including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers. Everything will be included. You don't need to go anywhere else. This will generate 10 scenes for you, and as you can see, everything has already been generated perfectly. Now guys, let me tell you about the tools we will use today. First of all, the tool we're going to use includes both image generation and video generation features, like advanced video models and rendering options. And yes, it's completely free. So don't skip the video, because today we're going to use this tool step by step. For images, we could use the same tool, but it consumes credits. So we'll mainly use it for video generation. For images, we'll use a tool called Flow AI. You already know that for consistent characters, this is the best option, and it's completely free. So take full advantage of it while it's available. Now here's what you need to do. Simply open the tool. The link is in the description. Select the model, either Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Then select the aspect ratio, choose 1.1. After that, click on the plus icon. Here, you need to upload 1 or 2 reference images. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, paste it into the tool, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your first image will start processing. It usually takes around 30 to 40 seconds. And as you can see, here is the first generated result. It looks amazing, super clean, and very consistent. Now I upload the second image with the reference and click Generate again. I follow the exact same process for every scene. Again, copy the prompt, add the reference image, and generate. If you do not use reference images, your character consistency will break and the style will change. So it is very important to always include reference images. Now I continue generating all scenes one by one. At the end, let me show you the final result. So guys, here is the final output. Beautifully generated, perfectly consistent style across all images. Now simply download all of them, and that's it. You're ready to create your own viral animated videos. Guys, now this is our next step, video generation. For video generation, the tool we are going to use is ROBO Neo. I will provide its link in the description. As you can see, right now I have 70 credits available. Now let me show you how to increase these credits. First, I'll explain how to log in. Simply open a new browser, then open the website. You will find the link in the description. After opening it, look at the right side, and you will see the login option. Click on it, then choose Continue with Email, or Log in with Email, and then click on Register with New Email. Now, you need to enter an email and password. But first, open another browser tab and search for Temp Email. Open it, and you will see a temporary email address. Copy that email, Then go back to the website and paste the email there. After that, set a strong password. If you use a simple password, it will not register. Now click on Register. Once you click Register, a verification code will be sent. It will ask you for verification. After a few seconds, go back to the temp email page, copy the verification code, and paste it into the website. Once you paste it, you will see that you have received 70 free credits. Now let me show you how to increase these credits. On your screen, you can see the invite code option. With the help of this invite code, you can double your credits. Let me show you how. First, copy the invite code. Then go to another browser where I have already logged in. After going there, open the Redeem or Invite Code section and paste the code. Then simply confirm it. As soon as I confirm it, you can see that my credits have increased to 120. Now, I will request another invite code from here. After getting the code, I will go to the second logged-in account and paste it there. As soon as I paste it, you can see my credits have increased to 170. So in this way, we have increased our credits, and now we have enough to create videos. Now let's start creating the video. You will see a box on your screen. Click on it. Then go to the Video Model section. Here, you will see different models like Seedance 2.0 Fast, Clean, Theory View, and others. But the best option is Seedance 2.0. Fast because it uses fewer credits and gives very good results. Now upload your first image. After uploading, go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover prompt. Then come back here and paste it. After pasting, simply click on Generate. You will see an AI agent appear, and it will start generating your video according to your prompt. It only takes around 40 credits to generate a video, and it will also add the voiceover. Now you can see that it is analyzing the image first. Then it will analyze the prompt, and after that, it will start generating the video. Within about 3 minutes, your video will be ready. Just wait a little. Now you can see the result of the first video. It generated it in 16:9 ratio, but the character has changed. The color turned brown. Now let's generate another video and see what happens. Again, go back to the home page, select Video, choose Seedance 2.0 Fast. Upload your image, go to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt and voiceover. Paste them here and click Generate. Now the next video generation has started. It will be ready in a short time and will only take around 40 credits. First, it will give a duration breakdown, then complete the full process. Now the next video is almost ready. Here is the next result. It looks very beautiful, amazing, and much more accurate. Now you just have to repeat the same process for all scenes. If your credits run out, simply go to the second browser where you logged in earlier and use that account. For example, if I paste the prompt here and click Generate and it shows an error, then I go to the second browser, open the same website, paste the prompt there, and click Generate again. Now you can see the generation has started again, as always. We bring free AI tools for you. We also provide free prompts, so a like, subscribe, and comment is definitely appreciated. We really need your support. You can also check out my other videos. In today's video, we only used free AI tools, no paid tools at all. Now you can see the next generation has started. Many creators do not provide prompts, but we always give prompts in the description. That's our promise, just like that. Today, we also showed you a completely free tool. Now, the next video is also being generated and will be ready shortly. Let's preview it. You can see it started generating in 16:9 ratio, but since we want 9:16, it will generate in 9:16 format. Now the video is ready. It has done a beautiful and amazing job. The video quality is very impressive. In the same way, you just need to follow the same process for all scenes. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.